Have you ever had the unsettling feeling that you've lived a moment before, even though you know you haven't? Welcome to the strange science of déjà vu. Déjà vu, French for already seen, is one of the most common yet mysterious phenomena of the human brain. Today, we explore why it happens. It's an intense feeling of familiarity in a completely new situation. It's fleeting, sudden, and leaves most of us questioning our own memories. Scientists believe this isn't magic, but a momentary glitch in the complex neural circuitry that handles our perception and memory. Psychologists have long debated what triggers this feeling. Let's look at some of the leading cognitive theories. The dual processing hypothesis suggests our brain receives information through two pathways simultaneously, but one experiences a slight delay, creating an echo. Sometimes, the brain might encode a present experience directly into long-term memory instead of short-term memory, making the now feel like the past. Beyond psychology, neurologists look at the actual physical firing of neurons to explain why this sensation occurs. If neurons in the brain pathways experience a minor communication lag, the processing of our senses can get slightly out of sync. The hippocampus, our memory center, may be responsible for misfiring, signaling that a current scene is a known memory. Some research suggests that a momentary disconnect between the brain's left and right hemispheres could confuse our perception of time. What specifically sets off a déjà vu event? It often happens under very specific circumstances. If your current environment shares structural similarities with a place you've been before, your brain might over-recognize the setting. High levels of stress or sleep deprivation seem to make the brain more prone to these processing errors. Clinical cases have shown that electrical activity in the temporal lobe, often associated with epilepsy, can induce intense déjà vu. While we don't have a single smoking gun theory, the consensus is that it's a byproduct of the brain's massive complexity. Studying déjà vu is difficult because it's unpredictable and subjective, making it hard to recreate in a lab setting. The evidence points toward a momentary lapse in memory recognition and perception pathways working in tandem. Déjà vu serves as a fascinating reminder of how hard our brain works to create a cohesive reality, even when it stumbles. So the next time you feel like you've been there before, rest assured, your brain is simply a high-speed machine that occasionally hits a bump in the road.